Hello guys. Init kaya ang panahon so mga ligo ta guys. Tara to ta mga ligo ta diri sa ilang swimming pool. I am videoing the look at guys. Dako kayo lang swimming pool guys. Na so actually upat na ilang swimming pool na pa sa other part of this village because this is a village 3. There's also village 2 and village 1. There's a 4 pool. Look at guys, it's very amazing. Dako kayo guys, oh. There's another pool guys, oh, na swimming pool po na guys. Pero dili pa ni paggamit kay ilang gi-renovate. So diri sa misa isa. Look. Mao na siya guys. Nalibutan niyo dagko kayong building guys. That's all.